If you guys are seeing this, that means I've sold this car. Even if nobody watches this video, I'm really glad I made it because this is my way of saying goodbye to a car that I love. I'd be lying if I said I didn't get a little teary-eyed putting this video together. I really enjoyed the journey of taking this Corolla from an absolute project car to a super fun street drift car, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. Thanks for watching. This is the 1986 Toyota Corolla. Should be one bolt here. That should let this caliper fold up and then slide off a pin that's in here, and then there'll be 2 bolts holding this bracket on. To make the job easier. Disconnect the sway bar as well as the brake line. As you can see, super crusty, like everything is rusty. We're gonna try to clean all of this. Ready to go, you can make its big debut at the track.
Got a good gap. Where
Great,
you going?
thank you. So we stay to the left here, because everybody's supposed to be on the inside line.
Oh, okay.
You want to just do a shoulder check for me? You clear?
You're good.
God, that ass end really wants to come around, eh? Fuck, that's sick. The back end starts coming around before the front does. Fuck. I fucking love this thing. So scary. Just takes nothing to get that back end loose. Today, Devin and I are taking the 8.6 and the Miata drifting for the very first time. As you can see here, the 8.6 is torn apart. That is because we just welded the diff. Turns out both cars had open diffs. We both thought we had LSDs. Really well. That looks so good. If you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider hitting that like and subscribe button down below, and thank you for watching.